everyone, so today I am filming a new video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this makeup look right here. It's just quite a bronzy kind of glowy look, I don't really know. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I did this look and answer a few of your questions that you sent to me over Instagram. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Just like to say though, I cannot see the viewfinder like at all. I'm hoping that I have focused it okay because I did focus it with my glasses on. So yeah, the first thing, I've obviously already cleansed my face, moisturised, put lip balm on, la-di-da. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. So I'm going to use the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder, which is in number 3. So yeah, I'm just going to use the darker one on the outer bit and the lighter one on the inner bit. I'm just using this Benefit brow brush. It's got a spoolie on one end and brush on the other. Literally can't see what I'm doing. So I'm also going to answer some questions whilst I'm doing my makeup. So first question is, what's your favourite makeup brand? Honestly, I don't really know. Right, actually guys, I'm going to do my eyebrows quick, then I will start answering the questions because I find it so difficult to do my eyebrows on camera. So I've just filled in my eyebrows. I'm now just going to go ahead and use my concealer. This is the Collection Lasting Perfection in shade 1 Fair, and I'm just going to go around the outside of my eyebrows, carving them out with this. My hand is so shaky. Now that I've done that, I'm going to use this brush, which is like square, and I'm just going to blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to fill it in a little bit nicer where I've like accidentally gone over it with concealer or something. And then I'm just going to use the Real Techniques Detailer brush just to blend out that concealer a little bit more and neat it up. What? Then I'm going to use my Benefit Gimme Brow and just brush out my eyebrows basically.
Shall I get rid of this?
Yeah. Eyebrows are done. Now they're literally like the most difficult part of doing my face. So yeah, I'm glad that's done. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Strobe Cream. This is like my favourite product at the moment. I'm literally in love with it. So I'm just going to plop that kind of all over my face. I can't see what I'm doing right now, so yeah. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend this in, rub it into my face. Really hard to do with one hand. I'm like holding the mirror up in the other hand. This is literally like my holy grail product at the moment, guys. Like, I just love it. So then I'm going to go ahead and use my Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation. I'm just going to put a blob of that on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender just to blend it in. But yeah, I'm just going to blob this around my face. Okay, now I'm going to answer some questions. So yeah, as I said, first question is favourite makeup brand. Now I actually have no idea. I use such different products. I'd say probably, no, literally I don't have a clue. Probably I use Benefit the most probably. I don't know actually. It like depends what product it is, if you get what I mean. So like for foundation at the moment, and literally for ages, it's been Bourjois. Like I honestly can't get enough of this foundation. Kind of varies between what product I'm using basically. Next one is actually fave clothing brand. Honestly, Pretty Little Thing. I buy everything from Pretty Little Thing. It's unreal. I think it's also because I've got free next day delivery, so I mean that kind of helps things, you know. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie though, some of the products on there are quite bad quality. Like they come and they're just like, what is this kind of thing, you know what I mean? So now I look pretty crazy. I'm going to use my concealer. I'm just going to put it kind of on little blemishes and stuff, blend that in with my beauty blender, and then I'm going to put it under my eyes and on my eyelids and blend that out with my finger. Again, this is the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. Okay, so next question is goals for 2020, both YouTube and real life. This is really tricky. So really a goal for YouTube for 2020 is to, well, actually this is kind of YouTube and life. Go to more YouTube events, but also I want to get to the 4,000 watch hour point, which is when you can like start earning money for your videos basically. What bag of stuff? Mum, I'm filming a video.
See, Ted's out there. Oh. Did you say yes? You did want those. I want to over this in a minute.
Mom, I need to do my makeup and I'm filming my makeup, so can you go? And what is that? Bye! So yeah, to reach the 4,000 watch hour points so you can basically earn money, I'll just go with the flow of YouTube. Goals for real life, probably do more things like YouTube events and that. I've already mentioned that. I also want to, I'm actually going to go to uni this year, so I want that to be successful. That is a goal, to be able to do that, but yeah. So now I'm just going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte powder and this Real Techniques buffing brush just to set my eyes. And then I'm going to use the Sculpt London big fluffy brush and I'm just going to put it all over my face. Now my battery is flashing low, so that's fab, but I'm now going to contour. So now I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown bronzer in Golden Light. I got this in a little box I got for Christmas, so it's just a mini one, but it's so good. So I'm just going to use the Sculpt London brush with this, and yeah. Next question is, actually I'm going to have to do this first. Next question is Korg official? Hashtag Korg. Well, we're like besties, so you know, nothing more, nothing less. Or are we? I can't wink. People actually think it's real though, which is hilarious. I actually find that so funny. I mean, should we, guys? Now I'm going to use a smaller Sculpt London brush just to contour my nose a little bit. For highlight, I'm going to use this Dull Light Shine Bright highlighter, and let me just, my goodness, look at that. So I'm going to just use that with my finger. I'm just going to do my nose, tip of my nose, and just bring it up the bridge a little bit. And then I'm also going to bring that on my Cupid's bow with my finger. And then I'm going to use this random fan brush, and I'm going to just look at that. Wowza. This was on offer the other day. By the way, if you can hear water running, that's because my mum's in the bathroom next door. But yeah, I bought this the other day and it was like £5 off, and I was like, yes please. And then I'm just going to use a smaller little brush just to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. Ta-da! Now on to eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, which is one of my favourite palettes. Like, look how pretty that is, and look how pretty the packaging is too. So I'm going to start off with Riff, which is this one here. I'm just going to use a Zoeva 227 brush, and I'm just going to blend this through the crease. Then I'm going to use the Zoeva 231 brush, and I'm going to use Punk, which is this one down here, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. Honestly, the faces I pull when I do makeup is ridiculous. Next question is, what did you study in uni before you left? So I studied, well, I didn't study, but I had chose marketing management. But actually this year when I go, I'm kind of edging more towards doing films, so I think I might do that. But yeah, it was marketing management. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use this little Real Techniques brush. I'm just going to use that first colour again, Riff, and just drag that right all the way underneath my lash line. I'm going to use Punk again, which is the darker shade, and I'm just going to put that on the very outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and use just a flat brush, and I'm going to use, oh my god, I've just dipped my finger in the darkest colour going. I'm going to use Stranded, which is this goldy shimmery colour here, just on the base. Then I'm just going to use a Real Techniques brush just to blend underneath and then on top, just to blend it all together. So now that the eyeshadow's done, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm just going to do winged eyeliner, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Lasting Drama matte waterproof one, but I'm going to do this off camera because it's really difficult to do it on camera. So okay, so eyeliner is done. I'm now just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top and bottom lashes. So the next question I have is, what's your favourite food? My favourite food is pasta all day, every day. Hell yeah. This is another thing that's so hard to do on camera. Did that on my eyeball. mascara done, so now I've just got lips to do. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the colour Cool Girl. Yeah, I'm just going to pop that on. Don't know if you'll be able to see this very well again. So that is it. I'm going to take my hair down though. So that is it for this makeup tutorial. Sorry if my hair looks gross, I've literally just took it down from buns, so you know. Also can't see if I'm even in focus right now, so hopefully we are. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this makeup look / Q&A. If you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also make sure to comment below any other video ideas you have that you want me to do, and I will make sure I do them for you. Also make sure to check out my social media, which is on the screen now, and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all very, very soon with a new one. Bye! Also, thank you so much for 1.7k subs. I love you guys.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.